What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your handle on your faucet, just in case your handle or something, say, gets stripped, or if it just gets kind of dirty, you just want to put a new handle on. What you basically will have to do is, first, on most handles, you'll have to remove this top piece, which is your symbol normally that may say like hot or cold. And to do that, you just kind of want to take like either a flathead screwdriver, a small one, or possibly even like a knife, something kind of sharp. And there's a gap in between the handle and where that symbol is at. And most of them, just like that, you'll be able to turn them, basically pop it out like that. And once you have that out, now to take off your handle, and most you'll have a screw like that. So all you would need to do next would be to take your screwdriver, and this happens to be a Phillips screwdriver. So you just want to, hold up, make sure I got the right way. You would just want to pretty much take out that Phillips head screw that's in here. It could be a flat head, but most may have a Phillips head. And once you remove this flat head screwdriver like that, this flat head screw out of it, next what you will do is just kind of wiggle up on your handle like that. And once you do that, as you can see, now your handle will be free. And then you'll be able to buy a new handle and put your handle on. Most of the handle insides are pretty universal, so it'll pretty much work on just about any faucet like this, especially like kitchen faucets or bathroom faucet like that. But just to be sure, you may want to take your old faucet with you and kind of make sure you get a new faucet that kind of looks similar in the inside to make sure that it's going to fit correctly onto your actual, this is called your cartridge right here, onto your cartridge right here. I'm also going to be making a video showing you how to change out this cartridge, just in case for some reason this is leaking. Sometimes in your faucet you can have it off and you can have water still leaking out, which means you have a bad cartridge. Okay, folks, once again, this is how you would change out your handle on your on a faucet. It could be either your kitchen faucet as well as bathroom faucet. All right, please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.